Yo, what's up my dudes? It's me, your boy Mifs Cobb, and today I'm doing another shirt unboxing. It's not really an unboxing video, but you know, it came in a box, so I'm just going to call it that. Anyways, this shirt is a Juice WRLD 999 shirt. He's a rapper, for anyone who doesn't know, and he's pretty good. So yeah. I'm just going to try it on, give you guys a review of it, show you guys what's on it and all that. And hope you guys will like it. But before I get into that, I just want to say I got this shirt from Amazon for I think like $50 or $60, which was pretty expensive, but I just had to cop it. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get into a review. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys. So yeah. All right. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it says Juice WRLD 999. That's his rapper name. There's nothing on the back, so it's pretty much just like a plain black shirt, pretty much. Yeah, it says his name right here. Pretty cool shirt, I think. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the design. So yeah, it's kind of like a paint sort of thing, like you paint on a shirt, whatever. That's the design they're going for. So yeah, there's nothing much to say about it. The Juice WRLD's red and the thing's white, as you can see. Anyways, so I hope you guys like the shirt. If you do, leave a like on this video. If you don't, leave a like on this video. And yeah, so tell me what you think about it also in the comments. And yeah, tell a friend, even if imaginary. And rock on.